Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram Live option not showing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and make sure your account doesn't have any violations. Go to your profile page and tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Instagram can place feature restrictions on accounts that break community guidelines, which may limit your ability to use certain features, including going live. Go to your account status and tap on this third option and check if there are any violations or restrictions listed. Next, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. This issue is often caused by a recent Instagram bug, so go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update it to the latest version if you haven't already. After updating, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the plus icon to start creating content. You will see many options. If the live option doesn't appear there, select Reel option and then tap the gear icon at the top right. You may see the live settings option there, including options to save your live videos or hide them from certain people. Finally, keep in mind that Instagram recently changed its requirements, and you won't be able to go live unless you have at least 1,000 followers. If you meet this requirement and still don't see live, it's likely an app bug, so updating the app and checking for account violations are the best fixes. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Instagram Live option not showing. So that's all for this video. Thanks.